Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a referral code on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and log into your account. On the main screen, tap the profile icon at the top right corner to access your account settings. Look for the option called Invite Friends and tap on it. You will see a list of your contacts. From here, you can directly share your referral link by selecting a contact. If you want to share the link with someone outside your contact list, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Then, choose Copy to save your referral link. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere you want. For example, open your browser, paste the copied text, and view the full referral link along with your unique referral code. If necessary, remove extra text and keep only the referral code and link. Now, share your referral link with friends, include it in a video, or post it on social media. When someone signs up for Cash App using your link and starts using the app, you will receive a referral bonus, usually $5. So that is basically how you can get a referral code on Cash App. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.